Ouch! Who did that?
Not me!
Lots of things happen in the world because of gravity. Water flows down instead of up. You fall back down when you jump. And brothers put stuff on your head. But what is gravity? Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation states that every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. So, gravity is a force. It's as simple as that. But how does this force work? In his general theory of relativity, Albert Einstein told that space and time are relative, meaning that they appear different to observers from different reference frames. Yep, you heard it right. Time can be relative. According to Einstein, the three dimensions of space and one dimension of time are interwoven into one single fabric of space-time. You are matter. I am matter. Everything that exists in space is matter. Matter creates warps and curves in space-time, which means that right now you are literally bending space-time around you. The higher the mass of the object, the bigger the bend it creates in space-time. This leads us to another situation. How does the sun keep other planets in orbit? So if there's a hole, other things fall into that hole, right? Also, matter creates holes in space-time. The sun, being an object with massive amounts of mass, creates a huge well in the fabric of space-time. So you might ask, if the sun creates a hole in space-time, why do other planets, instead of falling into that hole, orbit the sun? For that, let's move on to an experiment designed by modern scientists to demonstrate the theory of gravity. Well, if you take a look at this trampoline with a ball on it, you'll see when I send the small ball rolling around, it orbits the big ball because of the curvature it creates in the trampoline. The same way, when the sun creates a massive hole in the fabric of space-time, that curvature makes other planets orbit around it. There we go. A trampoline just explained to us how gravity works. And indeed, that is how gravity works.